This part of the video shows you how I put the spring back in the barrel. Like I said, you had this end piece here that has the hole in it, and then you have the tab on the inside of the barrel. So what you do is you start the end piece inside the barrel, and again, if you're uncomfortable with this, I would suggest putting on some gloves. And then just work yourself all the way around the barrel, but you got to get the end piece to grab a hold of the of that tab. Once you get the end piece to grab a hold of that tab, you can work the spring all the way around the barrel. Making sure that you are putting it in correctly. I wasn't putting it in correctly. So, like I said, once you get that, the hardest part is getting that end piece to grab a hold of that tab. And once you got that started, you can work your way around the barrel. Yes, they do make machines for this. No, I'm not going to buy a spring winder when this works. The only thing that sucks is I got carpal tunnel in both my hands, so it hurts to do this. But voila, it's in the barrel without any spring winder. Prior to putting the cap on, I'm going to get out my oil and put a few drops of oil across the springs, and then put the cap on. And simple to do. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.